Celebrity Punjabi actor Deep Sidhu died in a road accident in Delhi on Tuesday when his white Scorpio slammed into a stalled lorry. The collision occurred at Kharkora in Haryana on Kundli-Manesar Palwal Expressway. Deep Sidhu was travelling from Delhi to Bhatinda with Reena Rai. Sonipat SP Rahul Sharma said that he was transported to hospital but proclaimed dead. Charanjit Singh Channi expressed condolences to Deep Sidhu's family. CM Channi tweeted, "We mourn the loss of the famous actor and social activist #Deep Sidhu. My condolences to the departed family and fans." Deep Sidhu was a hugely successful Punjabi actor. Last year, the actor-turned farmer activist was in the news for his role in the violent Republic Day tractor demolition in Delhi that left several injured. The Delhi police detained Deep Sidhu from Karnal in Haryana on February 9 last year in connection with the Red Fort unrest by farmers protesting the three agricultural legislations. Deep Sidhu allegedly led a group of farmers to attack the Red Fort on Republic Day to protest controversial agricultural rules. The Delhi police named Deep Sidhu in an FIR. Deep Sidhu was granted bail on April 17 but arrested the same day for alleged damage to public property during the farmer tractor rally violence at Red Fort. On April 26, he was granted bail. In May last year, the Delhi police filed a 3,224-page charge sheet against Deep Sidhu for the tractor rally violence. Deep Sidhu was travelling with the actor and close friend Reena Rai. Reena Rai allegedly aided Deep Sidhu in eluding the Delhi police on January 26. Reena Rai also posted all his videos supporting him on social media. Deep Sidhu used to film videos using borrowed phones and hide the surrounding with blankets. Reena Rai and NRI received the videos over Telegram. Reena Rai posted the footage on Deep Sidhu's social media. Deep Sidhu claimed in an Instagram tribute to Reena Rai that she stood by him when the world was against. "You stood by when the whole world was against, protected me, held my respect, gave me strength, prayed for my cause and freedom. But what truly has touched my heart and soul that when you paused your life for me, you being there means a lot for me. Your love and support is beyond any description. You are beyond my words and I truly feel blessed to have a soul like you in my life." Deep Sidhu's post read. Indian Journo is now available on your App Store. Download the app now and get all the impactful news on the go. Subscribe Indian Journo to stay updated with the latest news.